The Bank of England £10 note, also known as a tenner, is a banknote of the pound sterling. It is the second lowest denomination of banknote issued by the Bank of England. The current polymer note, first issued in 2017, bears the image of Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse and the image of author Jane Austen on the reverse. The final cotton paper note featuring a portrait of naturalist Charles Darwin, first issued in 2000, was withdrawn from circulation on 1 March 2018, thereby replacing the cotton with a material more fit for purpose. £10 notes were introduced by the Bank of England for the first time in 1759 as a consequence of gold shortages caused by the 7 Years' War. The earliest notes were handwritten and were issued as needed to individuals. These notes were written on one side only and bore the name of the payee, the date, and the signature of the issuing cashier. With the exception of the restriction period between 1797 and 1821, when the French Revolutionary Wars and the Napoleonic Wars caused a bullion shortage, these notes could be exchanged in full or in part for an equivalent amount of gold when presented at the bank. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.